Introducing SecureView, a simple retrofitted security solution that is installed over the existing windows and doors, designed to protect from forced entry, storm damage, and accidental breakage, without replacing your existing fixtures. Here's how it works. First, choose what you want to protect, your doors or windows, whether residential or commercial. Measure the window or door using our easy-to-follow guidelines. Enter your window measurements into the SecureView form to get the exact fabricated size needed. This size appears in the master calculation section once you input your measurements. Then, choose a DIY kit with dimensions that match or exceed this fabricated size. For example, a 42 by 42 inch fabricated size would need a 48 by 48 kit. Prefer not to go DIY? No problem. Glasshouse Security can custom fabricate your SecureView product to fit your exact specifications. And if you're in one of our service areas, we can handle the installation for you too. SecureView provides a durable shield that protects while still allowing you to enjoy a clear, secured view. Get peace of mind with our advanced protection. Contact us today.